What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw a cartoon polar bear. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a circle for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, come all the way around towards the bottom, and back up. Now we're going to fill the inside of the nose in black. From the nose, let's move out to the side and step up and draw two small circles for the eyes. So we'll start on the left, going all the way around. Now let's line that up on the right side, and we'll fill the eyes in black. Now directly up above the nose, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up, and then bend that down. And then from the bottom of the nose, let's draw in the mouth. We're going to curve down, and then bend that up, aiming towards the eye. Go back to the center, come down, and then up towards the right. Now we're going to move up and draw the top of the head. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this up, round out the head, and then bend that down. Let's add two circles for the ears. Starting from the left side, go all the way around, come down, and just bend that in. Let's round out the side of the head, going out, down, and then in. Let's close off the bottom of the head with another curve. And come down, across, underneath the mouth, and then bend that up. Now we're going to wrap a scarf around the neck. From the center, let's bend this out, and then down towards the right. Let's round out the bottom. Now I want to follow that same curve, going up and then in. Let's go out to the side of the head. Just going to round this out, going out and then in. And then we want to draw that same curve across the bottom, going in behind. We start on the left side, come down, and then in, and continue on the right side. Let's add some stripes inside the scarf. We're going to start down here with one curve along the top, move down and draw that again. Let's add some stripes going across. From the middle, bend this out toward the left, then down, leave a gap. We're going to draw two more times. And then over on the right, we're going to add one curve. Now from the bottom corner of the scarf, we're going to draw on the body. Let's start on the left. Bend this out, come down, and then in. And then we want to bring the arms across the front of the body. Let's start over on the left side, then the arm coming down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's line up the top over on the right, come down, and bend that in. Now I want to round out the hands, coming all the way around, and then bending that up. And we'll follow that same curve along the inside, just pulling that up towards the top. Let's separate the fingers with two curves on either side. Now just below the hands, we're going to draw a straight line going across. Let's start on the left, going straight across towards the right. Let's draw the bottom of the feet on either side. Let's start from the left side, bend this down, go up towards the top of the foot. It's going to round up the foot, come in, and then bend that down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by coming down, go up along the side of the foot towards the top. Round up the foot, come in, and then down. Let's close out the top of the leg. Starting from the side of the body, we'll step up, then this out, and then down in behind the foot. Now I'm going to draw three small circles along the top of the foot. Let's start with the one in the middle, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's draw the same size circle on the right. Now I'm going to draw two smaller circles on either side. And then we're going to add one larger circle along the heel. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a polar bear. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.